The U.S. Army is ramping up its investment in advanced directed energy systems to keep pace with rapidly evolving aerial threats. A major milestone came on July 17, 2025, when Los Angeles-based defense tech firm Epirus secured a $43.5 million deal to develop cutting-edge microwave weapons capable of disabling entire drone swarms with a single high-energy blast. The centerpiece of this program is Leonidas, a high-power microwave, HPM, platform designed to cripple the electronics of hostile drones and similar airborne threats. Unlike conventional counter-drone weapons that rely on kinetic strikes or electronic jamming, Leonidas unleashes a concentrated electromagnetic pulse, wiping out multiple targets simultaneously without requiring individual tracking or missiles. Earlier field tests have already proven the system's capabilities. During an April 30, 2025, demonstration at the U.S. Navy's Leovigildo Gantioque facility in the Philippines, Leonidas successfully brought down multiple drones under challenging tropical conditions. U.S. Army officials noted that the trial showed promising results in terms of reliability and adaptability, even in harsh climates where drone operations can be more unpredictable. Built on gallium nitride-based solid-state components, Leonidas offers a fully software-defined architecture, allowing the military to fine-tune its performance remotely without physically replacing hardware. The system's modular nature makes it deployable in several formats: fixed-site installations, vehicle-mounted platforms, or compact pods for airborne operations. Its small size and relatively low power demands make it a practical solution for widespread use on the battlefield. One of Leonidas' key advantages is its cost efficiency. Traditional counter-drone methods, such as guided missiles, can be prohibitively expensive and are poorly suited to dealing with large-scale swarms of low-cost UAVs. In contrast, microwave-based defenses offer a cheaper, area-wide neutralization method, disrupting enemy drone electronics regardless of their guidance systems. This latest contract is set to deliver a next-generation version of Leonidas with significantly boosted range and output power. The upgrade aims to counter the growing number of drones appearing not just in war zones but increasingly near U.S. military installations, including sensitive locations along the southern border. Still, experts caution that no single solution will completely eliminate the drone threat. Adversaries are already developing countermeasures, such as hardened circuits and tethered drones resistant to jamming or electromagnetic disruption. Analysts advocate for a layered defense approach, combining microwave weapons with kinetic interceptors and electronic warfare to ensure maximum protection. For the U.S. Army, the deal with Epirus signals a decisive move toward rapidly deployable, cost-effective counter-drone technology. While Leonidas may not be the ultimate solution, it marks a significant leap in modern warfare, where disabling a swarm with a single pulse could mean the difference between mission success and being overwhelmed by cheap, mass-produced aerial threats.